ever pondered over the idea of making your very own YouTube channel? Perhaps you've got a unique perspective, a creative streak, or a passion you'd love to share with the world. Well, you've stumbled upon the right place. This guide will walk you through all the necessary steps to create your YouTube channel in 2024. We begin with the basics. First, you need a Google account. If you don't already have one, don't fret. It's quite straightforward. Head over to the Google homepage, click on Sign In at the top right corner, then select Create Account. Fill in your details and voila, you're part of the Google family. Next, navigate your way to YouTube. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button on the top right corner. Use your newly created Google account details to log in. Now, it's time to carve out your little corner on YouTube. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner, then select Create a Channel. A decision needs to be made here. Do you want your channel to bear your name, or would you prefer a custom name? If you're leaning towards the latter, select Use a Custom Name. This option is perfect for those who wish to create a brand or if you're looking to keep your real name private. Next, fill in the name of your channel. Keep it catchy, easy to remember, and reflective of your content. Once you've settled on a name, click Create. Congratulations, you're now the proud owner of a YouTube channel. But we're not done yet. It's time to personalize your channel. Click on Customize Channel, and let's get creative. You can add a channel icon, typically a logo or a headshot, and a channel banner for a visual representation of your brand. Next up, your channel description. This is your chance to tell viewers what your channel is about. Keep it brief, engaging, and don't forget to pepper in keywords related to your content for search engine optimization. Now let's set up your channel's default settings. Navigate to YouTube Studio, then Settings, and finally Channel. Here you can set your country, add keywords for your channel, and set your channel's privacy. Lastly, don't forget to link your social media accounts and a contact email for business inquiries. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create a YouTube channel. The steps are simple. Create a Google account, log into YouTube, create your channel, personalize it, set up default settings, and link your social media and contact email. Remember, your channel is an extension of you. Let it reflect your passions, creativity, and uniqueness. Happy YouTubing!